Good afternoon, my name is Gavin Knox, Managing Director of Hydrogen Fuel Systems Proprietary Limited in Perth, Western Australia. Here we have a Generation 15 system which is heading off to India tomorrow for a client who's actually ordering these things for 3,000 units for the Indian Police Force, government order obviously. It's a Generation 15 system which is working very efficiently, currently running at 30 amps right now. Actually no, 25 amps, sorry. 25 amps and 11.94 volts. It is a particularly strong developer of hydrogen, and it's a new Generation 15 model system with everything is welded. It's a welded steel box obviously, and welded MIG welded plates and stainless steel plates on top there with Anderson plugs and coming out the top of the units. It's a very efficient system, currently running at 11.9 amps actually, no 11.9 volts and 11.9 volts, yes, and 26 amps. Suitable for use on all vehicles, particularly four-wheel drives and large vehicles like that. I can be contacted on 040 317 7183, that's in Australia, Perth, Western Australia. Webpage www.hydrogenfuelsystems.com.au. And what else can we say? Then my webpage, my email address is glknox11@live.com. Okay, I hope you're having a great day, and I will speak to you soon. It's actually running at 22 amps right now. Okay, been running for the last couple of hours, and it's going particularly strong. This unit ideal and suited for four-wheel drives, larger vehicles, and vehicles carrying a particularly strong load. Okay, have a great day. I'll speak to you soon. Goodbye.